Hey you guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we are working with Kiss Love Hair. They sent me over this beautiful glueless unit. It is stunning. It's pre-parted, pre-everything. It's completely glueless. All you have to do is really just slap it on. They even cut out like the edges on the side for this unit. It's also pre-curled as well, so it just really made the installation really easy. It does have an elastic band, a drawstring, and just look at the curls. Like, I love how this wig was structured. It's already cut with this right layers and everything. So I love that for us. I love that for us. They make it so easy. I'm just tinting the lace, and then I am going to go in with a little bit of glue. Because this is a glueless wig, I always just recommend one layer. You definitely don't want to overdo it with this unit because it's already pre-cut for you. So you don't want to put too much glue and then have everything messed up in the front. So just one thin layer will work just fine to give you that melt. And this is me slapping the wig on, and I must say the wig fit really snug, which was a good thing. It's not slipping or sliding anywhere, so even if I didn't put the glue down, this would definitely hold very well on your head. I love how this wig was constructed because it's very breathable. It doesn't feel very hot inside of the cap, and so for that reason I really just love it. And like I said, y'all, they already curled this hair, and I really love how they curled this hair. They curled it such the right direction. All the curls are laying a certain way, so it just makes it really easy to style and manage for a beginner, or for anyone honestly, but definitely if you're a beginner. At this point, I'm just defining the part. I'm gonna go in with my hot comb to really flatten out the top of the hair. Yeah, but I'm just adding some concealer to the part. I did also add some oil as well to the hair to really give it some shine, brush it in the direction that I want. And as you guys can see, it is flawless. It's flawless. It looks like it's growing right out of my head. I absolutely love this unit. So shout out to Kiss Love Me Hair for sponsoring this video. Everything turned out to be impeccable, and you do get a lot of goodies with this brand. So plenty of lashes, and of course wig caps. You even get a robe and a bonnet inside. So shout out to Kiss Love Me Hair once again for sponsoring today's video. I absolutely love how this wig turned out. Let me know if you have any other questions below, of course, and just keep in mind the wig will also be linked down below, so you know to take advantage, of course. And yeah, you guys, until next time, I will see you later.